And we haven't had it for a long time.
1992.
Sugar in a can. We're pretty much ready for my parents to come. Oh, that is perfect.
Welcome to the vlog.
This morning we went to the hardware store to pick up some wood. I feel like we're at the hardware store like every week getting things for new projects, but Chris wanted to build a headboard for the bed in our spare room and then also do a little table for our hallway. So he's working on those fun projects right now. I'm not much help. I'll maybe help stain it when it's all together. Yesterday we were at this drink store. What, they carry like foreign stuff, a lot of American things, and we found this, which is Mountain Dew Baja Blast. If you're not familiar with this, you can get it at Taco Bell, and it's probably, would you say it's your favorite drink?
Yes.
All-time favorite.
Sure.
It's pretty much just like sugar in a can, but it's so, it really is so good.
I always love you. Okay, it's gonna be like that.
So this is our spare bedroom at the moment. We have this bed, which doesn't have a headboard, it's just kind of a frame. So that's what Chris is building right now, is a headboard. And then it will also have a little floating shelf beside it, kind of as a small bedside table. And then over here is still obviously a work in progress as well. But Chris is gonna have like a little music corner. And then we also picked up this light from IKEA, and we're gonna hang it by the bed as well, kind of as a lamp, but it will be on the wall, so that saves space. Yeah, we'll see how it all comes together. My parents are actually coming in 10 days, not even 2 weeks, so that is really exciting. So them and some of their friends are coming to visit, and we're super excited to have my parents here to show them around Switzerland. But I think it is nice to have guests coming because it kind of forces us to finish projects that we've started or have been wanting to do. So that's really nice, and just to get the place actually finished, because I feel like it's still not quite there. Yeah, it's kind of nice, like incentive to get everything done. Today we also picked up some more herbs for our balcony, and so we got basil because we killed our other basil plant, our other 2 basil plants we killed, but we're hoping this one will be successful. And then we got cilantro, and then oregano, because I also killed our other oregano plant. So cross our fingers that these ones are gonna live a little bit longer. And yesterday I picked up this large palm tree. I don't know what this is called. It's not really a palm tree, but from IKEA, and they were on sale, and it's huge. And so I'm not exactly sure where we're gonna put it yet. Have breakfast for dinner. Breakfast for dinner is my absolute favorite dinner, and we haven't had it for a long time.
1992.
Since Hawaii, I think we haven't had breakfast for dinner. So Chris is gonna make the crepes, and I'm gonna make bacon and rosti. Rosti, you want to explain what it is? It's very Swiss.
Basically, it's hash browns.
True, it's like Swiss hash browns. They're super good, but it's kind of weird because they come in a bag. I think it's kind of weird. So this is rosti. This one's an XL. Oh, we probably won't be able to eat it all.
750 grams, that is a lot for 8 people. Oh. We don't have money for a mixer.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a perfect one. Ooh.
This is the tricky part. So you take the plate, put it on top, and then You flip it.
It should be crispy. And oh, that is perfect.
Then you slide it
Back on.
back on.
You can't have breakfast for dinner without having bacon. Okay, now are you ready to introduce them to the, some would say strange thing you do, but maybe some people would like it. But Chris likes ketchup on his crepes, which I had never ever heard of until I met him. Good morning. Just got my cup of coffee. Just waking up still, but Chris, I don't know if you can hear it. Chris is already hard at work, working on the headboard. He wants to finish that up, I think, this morning before he goes to work. Looks so good with the little border around it. So Chris just left for work, but he actually managed to get the table and the headboard finished. He did such a good job. So I'll show you guys what they look like right now. Give you a little sneak peek. Here is the little table that he built. And so now I just have to stain it and then decorate it. And then if you come out here, here is the headboard that Chris finished. He did such an amazing job on it. So he ended up putting like a border on it, which I think really makes it look finished. And yeah, it looks so good. So it's been a couple days since I've updated you guys, but we're pretty much ready for my parents to come. So it's gonna be an awesome couple days with them. We're really excited. The last couple days we were just finishing up projects, finishing up the guest room. I feel like now we finally don't have any more construction or projects going on in our house, so I could do a really good deep clean of the whole apartment, which was super nice. I finished doing these frames, did some writing for those. That was a fun little art project. Show you guys these prints that we have for our bathroom. These two will go in one of our bathroom together, and then this one will go in the bathroom with like our shower. I got these frames just from IKEA. I love these light wood frames. And then I wanted to do some sort of print, some sort of Bible verse or something encouraging. So what I did is I went on a website called Creative Market, and there you can actually buy fonts, you can buy graphics, you can buy a bunch of different things so that you can kind of customize and design your own prints. I'll link it down below, but I purchased a pack for $25 of a bunch of different script fonts, and then I just put this together. So that's a really good idea if you don't feel comfortable like freehanding or doing your own prints like I did with these ones. And then this one I actually found on Pinterest for free, and I'll leave it down below. It's on a blog, and she has a bunch of these free kind of botanical printables. This is another example. I think that there's like 6 of them that you can print off, and this was totally free. We just printed it on some like photo paper. So that's also an awesome option if you're looking for some affordable, like almost free art. Yeah, it's coming together really nice. I'll insert a little clip here of what the guest room looks like. Chris did an amazing job on the bed. It looks so good and so cute. And same with his music corner. It's just awesome. It's a nice little versatile room that he'll get to use and we can use when guests are here. And now it feels like everything is done and complete and we're ready for them to come. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us work on some DIY projects and just get our house ready for our guests. An actual home tour will be coming soon, whether it's in one whole video or a couple different videos. Stay tuned for that. You can also hit the like button and subscribe if you guys want to stay in the loop when we post new videos. We would love that. We'd love for you guys to be a part of our little family here and to keep up with our journey. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.